Hi all, my name is Argo Marcius and I'm Regional Operation Manager South. Here at Pasquill, we've got 17 design offices and 7 manufacturing plants. We are making a wide range of the products, starting with floor cassettes, ending up with trusses. We also do JGI joists and posy joists, and we're making spandrel panels. Pasquill is one of the largest truss rafter suppliers in UK. We started the process from optimizing the timber for being picked. We're picking the timber, then we're cutting the timber, then we're pressing the timber and moving the ready product to the finished good yards. Normally the process takes us between 3 and 4 hours on a typical semi-detached house. Saint-Gobain has got a roadmap to go carbon zero. So our goal is to reduce our carbon footprint to the minimum as soon as possible. Electric forklifts have given us an opportunity to reduce our footprint. 4 of them are electric now. But going forward, we have made a decision that we're always going to be going green and electric. Here in particular in Pasquill Redhill, we do have a lot of racking storage, and we are operating in very narrow aisles, just 3.3 meter wide. And I think without the combi, C4000 in particular, we wouldn't be able to operate in this place. It's very maneuverable, it's very easy to operate because you can see, doesn't matter how long the timber is, you're always able to see the full size of the load, and it gives you the benefits to maneuver this safely.
My name is Justas. I'm Site Operation Manager at Redhill branch. The investments being brought to the Redhill branch made massive improvement starting from our health and safety, efficiency and quality. Our new saw handegger, this is one single blade bringing much better efficiency compared to the machinery we had in the past, giving more flexibility and more volume. Reducing the waste is keeping our costs down, and cost for the raw materials is less as we're using less stock. Emission of the electric forklifts has been reduced down to 0, and the noise levels is being reduced to the very minimum. The stock capacity is being increased massively as we went from the ground level storage up to the 4-store rackings.
So at Pasquill, we're using the SL lasers, which provide great help to any operator on the shop floor. We've got a tolerance of 5 mil plus minus, but with the lasers, we're actually able to stick the plate in the same position constantly without any extra help. It's not that much about the productivity, it's more about the quality of the product. So I'm very delighted to announce the new automated line, which is going to be installed by 2025 in Redhill, and this is going to be the first automated truss production line in the whole UK. It's a huge benefit for the company because we're going to be able to improve our productivity, volume and quality. By installing the automated truss production line, we're hoping to increase our productivity ×2, and we're keeping the same people in place. The team has proven being successful in here for a decade now. We're always saying if you want to build a business, you need to build your team. And if we would move the location, we probably would be able to find a better space, but the likelihood that we're going to have the same team is much more lower.